In fact, you know, an organized army cannot be defeated. When we organized as a customary government, properly organized, you know, we are now activate our customary security outfit, which we call Ndinche. You know that Ndinche is our customary police. You know, we had recently that Mieti Allah people want to introduce their own security agent or security outfit in Biafran land. It's not an insult. It's an insult. What happened to our Ndinche? We even created state security organs in 2000, when we passed the bill in Abia State, creating the Bakassi Boys. That law is Abia State Vigilante